What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And in this video, we'll talk about Pepe. We'll be doing an update. I covered this last time around, and there I actually was a little bit bearish on Pepe. Or at least what I said is that it hit 10,000, and I thought it was most likely that it would not break above that. Because I did not expect Bitcoin to break above 35,000, and I felt like it was necessary for Bitcoin to break that level in order for Pepe to rally up higher. Because Pepe right now is actually quite correlated to Bitcoin. Like on the short term, it's correlated for 94%. And in the last 30 days, it's been correlated for about 72%. So that's a lot. But I was wrong, all right? I was wrong. So we'll take a look at it again in this video. We'll talk about everything you need to know. I think I'm going to try to keep it short, but I cannot promise anything, all right? Because the situation for Pepe right now is quite difficult. So let's get right into it. I first do want to say I'm sorry for my chart. I think it looks horrific, but everything that's on there is actually necessary, all right? So the first thing I want to do is then, first of all, I mean, Pepe is very bullish. Like one of the main reasons it rallied higher than Bitcoin is that you can see right now, right here, Wednesday, so yesterday morning, it started gaining a huge amount of open interest. Like I think it was an increase of about 50 to 60% in a matter of a couple of hours. Huge increase. Volume is still increasing, but the open interest has settled down a bit. So that's what's explaining the huge bullish momentum, and then a consolidation up here. So now the big question is well, what's next? Can Pepe rally up higher, or is it most likely that it will dump down a little bit? Now, first of all, that depends a lot on Bitcoin. All right, if Bitcoin right now falls down towards 33,500 or 32,000, Pepe will follow that. All right, but let's try to keep this as Pepe specific as possible. When taking a look at the liquidation areas, what you'll be able to find, and it also corresponds with the technicals. What you'll find is that there's basically, like Pepe is, it's a bit, well, right, 10.7. Like Pepe, technically, I would say is right now in this area. All right, so it has resistance at 13,000/12,750, and then it has a major support at 11,000 and 10,750. And liquidation areas are there as well. So if those levels get close, they will probably provoke a reaction of the price. So this is the situation. This is the area which Pepe is in. And then the big question is well, which one of those is going to break down first? And it's difficult to say, all right? To be honest, it's almost impossible to say. I'm not trading Pepe at this point of time. All right, now when we take a look at the open interest, you'll see that it has dropped down a bit over the last couple of hours. Volume has also not grown for the last hour. So given that, and also given the expectation that Bitcoin will retrace at some point, I'm leaning towards a scenario where Pepe will fall down towards this level right here. It's 11,000 and then drop down lower towards 10,000. And then from there, we'll see again. All right, I do think it will be able to hold 10,000 as a support. And then from there consolidate and potentially rally up higher later. But that's what I think for now. I mean, I'm not 100% sure about it because it could be quite a big liquidation at around 11,000, which could push Pepe down to 9,000. But I think 10,000 technically is strong enough. So I'm leaning towards a scenario like this, and then a consolidation, like I said, and then from that consolidation, we'll have to see again. I'm leaning towards that, but technically both scenarios are possible. If Pepe gets up to 13,000 again, it will break above that, and it will get up to the next target between 14,500 and 15,000. Like if, and that's the difficult part of making these videos, if the open interest starts increasing after I upload this video, like this becomes most likely, because then momentum is returning to Pepe. So keep an eye on that. All right, for now, this is the most likely scenario. I have to say that because most of you want a prediction, but personally, I'd wait for confirmation. All right, so that's my take on Pepe. If you do have any more questions, let me know down in the comments or in the Telegram group or the Discord group, wherever. Lastly, I also have my own premium trading group in which I share all of my own trades, and I'm a profitable trader, and you gain access to an amazing community full of traders and my own trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.